We're here on the 300th anniversary of New Orleans. So they've got this cool sign up here by the river. Yeah. Oh, look at that. You know, those kids look very happy.
They're all so stoked.
It's that hot that that looks really nice right about now.
Don't worry about it, Mother.
Okay, so we are taking just a stroll around Jackson Square, looking at all of the street artists, the street performers. You have a caricature drawn of you. So let's take a look. All the street art. Oh, look. How cute. We've got, oh, this is awesome. It's a wedding party and they've got a band. This is so cool. Tallest building in Louisiana. It's 51 stories tall. It's right across from our hotel.
I can say something super dark, but I don't want to.
Afternoon drinks. Yes, you can get 3 drinks per adult per night here. And again, coffee, soft drinks, and there's snacks back here. Let's go see what they got. Let's see, hot dogs, baked potatoes, penne pasta. Ooh, that looks good. And there's salad, a whole little salad bar over here. And here's all the fixings for the chili. I mean, for the hot dogs, you can get chili. Okay, let's get some snacks. And they also have nachos. Nachos. And Jason just took the baked potato and cut it open and put the nacho cheese and the cheddar cheese with a side of chili. That's gonna be nice and tasty too. Oh, there's the fitness center. Oh, Colby's got the pool to himself. Colby, you got the pool to yourself? You don't want to get in, Cameron? And Ethan's over there in the hot tub.
Ethan's bitching.
He's chilling. So sometimes in New Orleans you just have to call an audible because the heat and the humidity can tire you out. So we had a lot planned in these 2 days. We were gonna go to Mulate's tonight. We were gonna go bowling at Fulton Alley. and the boys are wiped and so am I. So we decided to come back and swim instead. Except me and Cameron, we're just sitting by the pool. On
And I'm
camera.
wearing pants.
He's wearing pants.
Track
Pants.
They're warm.
But Dad and Colby and Ethan are in the pool, and we're just sitting out here. It feels nice. We're up on the 6th floor, so the higher you get, the cooler it gets, which is nice.
So I'm okay wearing pants. I'm not sweating.
It was really funny. One time we stayed at the JW Marriott, and I think the pool was like on the 20th floor or something like that. It was on the top, and it was so cold up there in July. We couldn't, it was almost too cold to swim. I know you probably don't remember that. That was a long time ago. You don't remember, do you?
I'm not challenged.
Feels nice out here, doesn't it? Yeah. Hey. Yeah, it feels good. I just got my feet in. Oh, it feels so good on your feet after walking. We walked like 5.5 miles today.
I'll probably do the same.
Feels good, doesn't it, Cameron? Splash, splash.
Removing everything. Making all the stress. Take everything.
Yeah.
I just need to know what's wrong with my back and eyes.
Okay, this is the cool thing about swimming in New Orleans. All the pools are up high. We're on the 6th floor right now, but you've got this view of super tall buildings around you. Uh-oh.
What?
They all disappeared.
Uh-oh.
1, 2,
I think the last one's dead.
3.
Same place, 1, 2, 3. There we go.
That was amazing.
Go do an emote. Like.
Pull-ups all day right now.
Let's see you do some pull-ups.
No.
Marine Corps style.
I can't even really pull pull-ups in the water. Excuse me.
Okay, just a regular. Pull up on the sideways bar.
Mile.
Don't you wish they were that easy?
What's up, buddy? How you doing? I get a perfect PhD score all the time. If like I could just,
Your foot's in the shot.
if I could just do pull-ups like this.
Oh, one-arm pull-ups. Hey, honey.
Hey. This is the perfect ending to a great trail.
Yeah.
This is the way you do it.
This beat, to me, this beat's going to Mulate.
Does it? That would have been good food, though.
Yeah.
Look at that sunset, though. That's a nice sunset.
I love this song. I want to.